I have some bread. I have some bread. I have some bread. She bought some milk. She bought some milk. She bought some milk. We need some sugar. We need some sugar. We need some sugar. There are some books on the table. There are some books on the table. There are some books on the table. He has some friends in London. He has some friends in London. He has some friends in London. I don't have any money. I don't have any money. I don't have any money. She doesn't need any help. She doesn't need any help. She doesn't need any help. We don't have any eggs. We don't have any eggs. We don't have any eggs. There aren't any chairs in the room. There aren't any chairs in the room. There aren't any chairs in the room. He doesn't know any answers. He doesn't know any answers. He doesn't know any answers. Do you have any rice? Do you have any rice? Do you have any rice? Is there any water in the bottle? Is there any water in the bottle? Is there any water in the bottle? Are there any shops near here? Are there any shops near here? Are there any shops near here? Did you buy any fruit? Did you buy any fruit? Did you buy any fruit? Do they have any questions? Do they have any questions? Do they have any questions? Would you like some tea? Would you like some tea? Would you like some tea? Can I have some water? Can I have some water? Can I have some water? Do you want some bread? Do you want some bread? Do you want some bread? Could you give me some advice? Could you give me some advice? Could you give me some advice? Would you like some help with that? Would you like some help with that? Would you like some help with that? Someone is at the door. Someone is at the door. Someone is at the door. I know somebody in that company. I know somebody in that company. I know somebody in that company. There's something in my bag. There's something in my bag. There's something in my bag. Can somebody help me, please? Can somebody help me, please? Can somebody help me, please? I need something to write with. I need something to write with. I need something to write with. I don't know anyone here. I don't know anyone here. I don't know anyone here. She doesn't want anything to eat. She doesn't want anything to eat. She doesn't want anything to eat. There isn't anyone in the office. There isn't anyone in the office. There isn't anyone in the office. We can't see anybody outside. We can't see anybody outside. We can't see anybody outside. He doesn't have anything new to say. He doesn't have anything new to say. He doesn't have anything new to say. Is anyone in the kitchen? Is anyone in the kitchen? Is anyone in the kitchen? Do you know anybody in Spain? Do you know anybody in Spain? Do you know anybody in Spain? Is there anything interesting to watch? Is there anything interesting to watch? Is there anything interesting to watch? Did anybody call me? Did anybody call me? Did anybody call me? Can you see anything in the dark? Can you see anything in the dark? Can you see anything in the dark? Take any seat you like. Take any seat you like. Take any seat you like. You can call me anytime. You can call me anytime. You can call me anytime. Choose any color. Choose any color. Choose any color. If you need any help, ask me. If you need any help, ask me. If you need any help, ask me. If she has any questions, she can email me. If she has any questions, she can email me. If she has any questions, she can email me. I'm happy to help if there's any problem. I'm happy to help if there's any problem. I'm happy to help if there's any problem.